I've been sanding on the fender and Gustavo's been sanding on the quarter, and we'll probably meet somewhere in the middle here. Still liking the roof. Still haven't seen anything too weird. We've been doing a little cleanup, getting the yard organized and stuff, but it's kind of where we're at. Looks like we're gonna have to probably prime the bottom of the quarter again here. We'll see what happens with the rest of it. I think the fender's okay. Could use maybe a little spot prime down at the bottom there, but you know, just keeping on sanding. There's a lot of sanding. And that's one good looking engine bay. Did you know that? But keeping on.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
So this had kind of some variations in it, because you know, when this was a panel truck, it started to curve in really hard here to go to the front end, and so we had to kind of relieve it. So that took some cuts here, and it just never really came out right. So I sanded back down to 80 grit, and we put some the Fiberall back in there and straighten that out. I still need to do the regular filler, because you can see all the pinholes and whatnot and the roughness. That's just 80 grit. And then the top of this door wasn't quite right, so I ended up hammering on it, and of course just jacking up all the paint and stuff. You know, I'd rather make it right now. Speaking of making it right, the front here, you can kind of see how this is higher than this, and so I need to cut this and bring it down, and also I need to bring it in a little bit. You can kind of see the shadow here and shadow here. I really need to get those a lot closer. Also, with this being a little bit higher here, it transfers all the way up to where the gap is tighter there than it is here. So cutting this right here and then cutting it across here, re-welding it back in is what we're gonna have to do. Pretty late in the game for this kind of action, but better late than never. Having kind of some trouble with the in and out of the door and stuff, but it's getting there. When I cut this apart, I'd like to lean this in a little bit more to tighten up the gap at the top. It kind of has a wedge gap there, and then same in the back. This is wide, that's tight, so taking this forward, down should help that all out as well. So it is what it looks like. This is too far out and it needs to come down, so that should fix a few things here. But of course, going back into welding and grinding at this stage in the game kind of sucks. Well, it doesn't kind of suck, it does suck. But quarters turned out good. Got it blocked, have a few spot primes here we're gonna touch up, but it's going pretty well. This is final sand, 400 grit. Just cleaning up, you know, little stuff. Might be saying, why didn't you take care of this like a long time ago? And kind of what happens is you got this vehicle with all this mess going on, and you're kind of working through its worst of its problems, and you'll get to this point where things are starting to look okay and minor details are here and there or whatever, but you get it primed and you're doing these final blocks and stuff like that, then you can really see what's actually going on. It isn't a bunch of different colors, or it isn't in this rough state of bodywork or whatever. You can actually see where what it looks like actually, factually. that's when you can start to see some of the stuff that isn't lining up right and stuff. So that's why we're finding ourselves in this current situation where we're cutting a car door on one side of the vehicle, and then on the other side of the vehicle we're cutting for flow coat and final clear. So it's kind of two extremes at the moment. We'll get this lined up a little better, welded back in. Our gap was tight inside here too, so it was kind of just absolutely everything that it looked like it was doing was what it was doing. I have to clean it out a little more, but that's getting there. Well, got it back to blocked primer, so got it back caught up with the rest of the stuff, and looks a lot better. You know, this line was above here, and this was like way far out, and then my gaps weren't as nice here and here. This was kind of leaned back too far, so got a couple birds stoned. Last piece. That's it. That's the last of the body.
Oh boy.
Alright, we got our white around our door edges here. Window edges. We got our flake on there. And so we'll go to lunch, and then we'll come back and mask our white off, and then we'll do our orange. Well, there we are. Turned out pretty good. Imagine that paint after cut and buff. Really pretty. Let's get off this paper.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be alright.